Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2008 Ford F350 with the 6.4 Power Stroke. The customer stated when they called that the vehicle was going down the road and then it just stopped moving forward and they weren't quite sure why. They did say there was a little bit of vibration they noticed before that happened, but they weren't sure what was going on. We got the vehicle towed in, got it up on the lift, and noticed that in fact what had happened was that the transmission tail shaft housing, which is what the transfer case bolts to, had shattered, and the transfer case was just laying on a cross member, so the vehicle was not able to drive forward as it wasn't connected to the transmission anymore. Once we took it all apart, we noticed that the issue had stemmed from the fact that the drive shaft U-joint had failed and was causing a lot of vibration, which is what caused that tail shaft housing to break. Once we got the new tail shaft housing and we got the drive shaft repaired, put it back together, took it for a drive, everything was driving smooth as could be. We got that done in a relatively short period of time for the customer, which they were really excited about as they use that truck for work every day. So if you have a vehicle that's got some kind of vibration or is kind of doing something weird when you're driving down the road and you'd like to catch it before you have a major repair, that's definitely something that we could take a look at for you. We do offer free estimates. My name's Dan. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.